Nanababo kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Fresh Syrup for sending us these goodies. Check them out, guys. So these are rice-based meals. If you recognize them, guys, meron tayong Musubi. So this is a Musubi. Just to inform you guys, a Musubi is a slice of grilled spam and scrambled egg on a block of rice and then wrapped together with a nori. So for the Musubi, we have 3 flavors. These are teriyaki, spicy, and cheese. For the 3 pieces, it's just 100 pesos. Now, if you want your spam doubled, just add 30 pesos. So this is 130 pesos and meron ka na rin 3 flavors. And the next on my right, ito naman ang tinatawag nilang Onigiri. These are very famous on-the-go meals. So these are rice formed into triangular shape, stuffed with different flavors, wrapped with nori. And then meron din tayong semi-wrapped triangle onigiri rice. Ayan, so if you noticed earlier, this is entirely, wrapped with the nori. And then this one naman has, I think, the nori is mixed with the rice. For these meals, we have different flavors. So these are tuna mayo, chicken mayo, spam and cheese, spam and kimchi, spam and egg, beef teriyaki, sweet and spicy pork. Again, guys, those flavors are available dito po sa mga semi-wrapped triangle rice. So what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna taste these. I'm just gonna randomly pick. Hindi ko nakikita yung mga flavors nila. For the Musubi, I'm gonna go for the double spam. Ito na lang, pinakamalapit. So this is a Musubi double yum spicy. Ang bango. I love the smell, guys. I love the smell. Smells spicy. Obvious observation, I think it has Japanese mayo. Yeah, parang mayroon siyang Japanese mayo. Anyway, let's taste it. Oh, wow. So let me give you my take with regards to this first try natin dito sa Musubi nila. So again, spam, you can't go wrong with spam. Although it says the flavor is spicy, I think rate of 1 to 10 sa spiciness natin, it's 3. I think it's just 3 for me, no? Okay, so let's taste it again. Oh, wow. Woo. Let's continue with the onigiri. So nakuha ko, guys, is a tuna mayo. Alright, so the way you open it is from the top, you peel it like this. There you go. Alright, so again, this is tuna mayo. Let's try it. Oh, wow. Wow. So again, guys, since it's, it's rice based, it's very stomach filling, a heavy meal on the go. This is very handy for us. So each actually is 50 pesos. Okay, next, this is semi-wrapped triangle onigiri rice. So I'm gonna randomly pick. I think I'm gonna go for the middle, no? And this is spam and egg. Just this one. Okay, since nakuha na natin, guys, we're gonna go for it. So meron siyang parang hilan dito. So this is where you will gonna pull first. Oh. Alright, so again, this is spam and egg. Okay. So ang difference naman nito, guys, is it has parang this yellowish parang mga fish eggs, or they call it masago. And then yung rice natin is not the plain rice lang. So mix na dito yung flavor natin, which is egg and spam, at the same time yung nori. Alright, so let's taste it. I'm gonna bite yung portion na mayroong masago, or yung shichimi, which is the orangey part of this food right here. But then again, guys, what I'm make you realize here is these are rice-based meals that are on the go, ready to eat anywhere you are. These are good for a packed lunch or even a heavy merienda. If you're interested to order or try, you can check out Fresh Syrup. We're gonna be flashing the fan page on your screens. Grabe, I still have a lot of musubi and onigiri to try. Pero, yeah, I won't bore you long, so please order from them. Make sure you experience this as well. And if you got interested or if you like the food that you saw in this video, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Any reactions coming from you guys will be highly appreciated. So thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. I hope to see you in the next one because I'm gonna be there. Bye. Thank you.